We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say correctly more interesting words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So is the T silent here? In short, yes it is, at least in the modern usage of English. This is normally pronounced as hasten, but it used to be that the T was pronounced here, and some people still pronounce it as Hasten. This is an older-fashioned way of pronouncing the word, if you wish, but it still exists. Hasten is how it's usually pronounced today, but it used to be said as Hasten, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.